Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stocks on Thinkorswim. First, you'll need to open the Thinkorswim platform on your computer or mobile device. Once it's open, simply log in using your TD Ameritrade account credentials. It's important to make sure your account is funded and ready for trading before you proceed. This ensures a smooth and efficient buying process from the start. Next, navigate to the Trade tab within the platform. Here, you can easily search for the specific stock symbol you're interested in. Before making any decisions, take some time to analyze the charts, review recent news, and examine the financial data available. It's crucial to look at key metrics such as the current price, trading volume, and the company's market capitalization to make an informed choice. Once you've decided on a stock, you'll need to place an order. Click on the Buy button if you want to purchase shares or sell if you're looking to offload them. Then, select your preferred order type, such as a market order or a limit order. Carefully enter the exact number of shares you wish to trade. Always double-check all your order details before you hit the Submit button to avoid any errors. After placing your order, it's important to actively monitor your open positions. You can do this by navigating to the Monitor tab within Thinkorswim. To effectively manage your risk, consider setting stop-loss or take-profit orders. These can help protect your investments and lock in gains automatically. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, make sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.